How would you like to discover the most coveted secret money-making techniques and strategies of the most successful copywriters and marketers of all time? Well, I've done the work for you, okay? I did something crazy recently. For 100 days, I've decided to break down proven ads written by the greatest copywriters and marketers of all time. I'm talking people like Gary Halbert, Gary Bencivenga, Eugene Schwartz, Mel Martin, Parris Lampropoulos, David Deutsch, Krause, Schwalm, all the greatest copywriters of all time, and I reversed engineered their copy methods. I tried to extract what are their secrets, what makes them convert, what makes them better than others, and what makes their creations, their promotions, money-making machines, basically. And I put together everything into this kick-ass playlist. There's 100 videos in there, so there's quite a lot. It's basically a unique content library on YouTube. There's nothing like this anywhere else on YouTube, especially for free, and I invite you to check it out today, okay? So I'm gonna leave a link below this video, but you can just also click the playlists little tab on my channel here, and you can check out all 100 videos ranked one by one. Each one of them is between like 20 to 40 minutes, so these are in-depth copywriting videos, and most people, they definitely charge like hundreds of dollars for these types of videos or trainings, and now you can watch it for free on YouTube right here, okay? Check it out right now and discover exactly the timeless secrets of these master copywriters and marketers of all time, so that you can also use it in your own marketing promotions, with your own clients if you're a copywriter here, or just to make a lot more money in your business, or maybe even to start your own online business here. So I honestly think that this will be a super in-depth, almost PhD level copywriting education for you should you complete it. But if you're looking for a shortcut, then I'm gonna leave another link below this video, which will take you to a little web page where I'm gonna share the most important lessons that I've learned from this challenge, from breaking down 100 of these proven ads over the course of 100 days, okay? So get them all today, and you'll see your skills and your bank account actually rise to new heights. Thanks, and check it out.